Mumbai studios of Republic TV. It's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10. Powered by Softovac and Berger Paints.
Ladies and gentlemen, 12 days after a jeep rammed into protesters in Lakhimpur, a car filled with drugs has barbarically and deliberately mowed down devotees during a Dussehra procession in Chhattisgarh. It is absolute mayhem. The attacks appear to be similar, but the outrage is different. In each case, let's debate.
In Jashpur, Chhattisgarh, Dussehra celebrations were in full swing. Seen here, devotees marching to immerse idols. And this happened. A car deliberately driving towards protesters barbarically rams into at least 20 of them involved in this tableau celebrating Dussehra. Watch the skin-crawling sequence again, this time from another angle. This visual establishes the violence was deliberate.
Celebrating Dussehra in Jashpur were the targets, where one victim has been declared dead so far. Dozens were left critically injured.
अस्पताल में जो है एक बॉडी को लाया गया था, यहाँ पे जो है एक की डेथ हुई है और 16 लोग और अदर हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड हैं.
While the car was set ablaze, the devotees were committed to not turn the situation violent. The accused Bablu Vishwakarma and Shishupal Sahu, who were driving, have been arrested. The car contained large quantities of drugs. See this video. How large packets of drugs are seen in a car that was stopped by devotees moments after it hit them. The violence today comes 10 days after communal clashes erupted in Chhattisgarh's Kawarda town. This video of a jeep mowing down devotees comes exactly 12 days after the Lakhimpur violence. But the Vadra Congress response is muted. Bhupesh Baghel, who held a dharna at the Lucknow airport then and rushed to Lakhimpur, only has an obligatory response.
मैं तो आया था यहाँ, सीसी जाऊँगा, नेताओं से मिलूँगा, सीतापुर जाके प्रियंका जी को मीटिंग किया जाए, उससे मुलाकात करके वापस जाने की सोच रहा था. लखीमपुर में जो 144 धारा है, वहाँ जाने की परमिशन नहीं देते.
Priyanka Vadra, who rushed to Lakhimpur then, is nowhere near Jashpur tonight. Rahul Gandhi, who took flights with Baghel, agitated over the violence in Lakhimpur, is missing in action. The Vadra Congress has been chaos hunting in opposition-ruled states while letting their own backyard burn. It's time to call out and expose selective outrage. Let's debate.
Ratnakar Tripathi, please tell Rakesh Sinha to start the debate when Ms. Vadra is going to Chhattisgarh to protest.
Why should she go there, or any congressman? We have taken action. Everyone has been arrested. The accused had been arrested. The police people have been suspended. Action have been taken.
So you are saying that because allow me 1 minute. I'll explain, Mr. Tripathi. So what you're saying is, viewers, let me run the pictures here. What you're saying is, what he's saying, MR, is that because the victims here are devotees who are out for Durga Visarjan, Ms. Vadra does not have to protest. So depending upon the identity of the victims and the perpetrators, you decide to protest. So you're looking. Exactly. So all these people out here, Ms. Vadra does not have to protest when this happens during a Durga Puja Visarjan.
Did I say so?
That's what you're implying. MR, isn't that what he's implying?
Why you distort
Yes,
my
absolutely,
statement?
absolutely.
No, I am not implying this. Please.
No, you said that without saying so.
I said that action has been taken. Police person have been suspended.
You wanted this
the
to
accused have been
Because
arrested.
the victims,
Right.
the victims are Hindus.
Had it
The
been
victims
the
are
same
Hindus, and
matter
the
in
Congress
UP.
is least bothered about it. Let us be very clear about it. The victims are Hindus. It happens on the holy day of Dashera. It happens in the state of Chhattisgarh, which is ruled by the Congress. So the first family of the Congress doesn't seem interested in the whole affair. Let the Hindus die.
Nothing,
क्या
you
जाता
just
है हमको
have
क्या
Congress
फर्क पड़ता
phobia,
है
nothing else,
क्या
sir.
फर्क पड़ता है हिंदूज को मारना ही है हिंदूज को मरना है मारना है तो इसमें क्या फर्क पड़ता
अरे
है
किसने हिंदू का बोला? यहाँ लखीमपुर में मरने वाले हिंदू नहीं थे।
you are very
नहीं,
clear
लखीमपुर में मरने वाले हिंदू नहीं थे। आपने क्या किया?
care about no you
No,
are
I'm not clear in that
Christian's
sense.
father
आप मुझे बताइए, लखीमपुर में कौन मरा
is
था?
known to be a Hindu hater
लखीमपुर में हिंदू नहीं मरे थे।
father is a Hindu hater and on a holy day when the
दिमाग में
jeep
ना-
runs through on
आपके दिमाग में हिंदू मुस्लिम कीड़ा भरा हुआ है, nothing else.
क्यों है क्योंकि आपने ऐसा हमको
You
पैदा कर दिया
are bitten by the snake of
you
Hindu
have
Muslim.
converted me into a bigot if I'm a bigot I will
जबरदस्ती की
blame it
बात
on
कर रहे
you
हैं।
because you have
आपको मैं अगर रामचंद्र जी बोलूंगा
jeep right through a crowd consisting of predominantly Hindus on a Dashera day and you don't even moan about it
On the
you
debate.
don't
Tawseef
see
is
sorry
also on
about
the
it
debate.
you don't have regrets
Tawseef is
about
on the
it
debate. Vivek
you
is
are
on the
in fact
debate.
celebrating
Yeah.
I'm appalled
Positions are the same.
I'm appalled that you are celebrating
I want to place a couple of facts here.
No,
A minute.
positions are not the same, sir.
Let's have a
Why did you allow
sensible
me to
debate.
answer?
Let's have a sensible
This is
debate.
very-
Let's
this
have a
is very
sensible
sad,
debate.
Arnav.
I'd like to bring in Vivek
Today,
Srivastava
many
into the
people
debate.
got
I'd
injured.
like to bring in Vivek Srivastava into the debate. Rakesh Sinha is on the right. And I want to place a couple of things before you, Vivek. Lakhimpur and what has happened today in Jashpur. I want to actually request our viewers, these are both extremely unfortunate incidents. Place the viewers on the pictures on the screen. What has happened in Lakhimpur and what has happened in Jashpur. This is what has happened in Jashpur. In case you missed it, let me tell you viewers, when Dashera festivity was in full swing, a car has deliberately, the car has deliberately rammed into and run over a Dashera procession on the street that involved young kids, women and men of all ages. This is the picture on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have pictures of what happened in Lakhimpur. Now, couple of things viewers, as you look at both these sets of pictures. In both these sets of pictures, and keeping the pictures on the screen, my question to Vivek is, I'm sure you agree that in both cases, a car deliberately drives into a procession. Am I right or wrong, Vivek? In both cases, a car deliberately drives into a procession. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Vivek, can you please restrict your answer to the question? I'm asking you.
Was a state-sponsored violence.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah,
All right?
I'm restricting
okay.
it.
All
There's
right.
a difference.
So, one
There's a
minute.
very big difference.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
State-sponsored violence.
1 minute.
In which a minister's son was involved, sir.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Whereas this was a criminal activity, and it was not an attack on Hindus deliberately. It was an
not an
accident
attack.
which was bad and criminal. and guys have been arrested.
Okay,
Action taken.
so here's...
It was not a religious attack.
Okay, so it's not a religious attack in this case.
On the farmers.
All right, I took your point. I want Rakesh Sinha to come in. Mr. Sinha, 1 minute. He says that what has happened in Jashpur has no religious angle to it. It so happens that the victims are Hindus, and it so happens that the victims are people who are on a Dashera procession, but there must be no attempt to give a religious angle to it. This is the argument that has been made by Vivek Srivastava. Yeah, 1 minute.
Arnab,
Yeah, Rakesh.
Arnab, I am not surprised. I am not surprised because the then Jalpat brigade now includes the leftist also. This is really surprising that he is saying that they were not knowing that they were Hindus and there is a Dasara festivity. During the Dasara festivity, the procession was going on, and on the procession the car ran over, and the dozens of people injured and many people died. This was a deliberate attempt to. Reason is that Baghel does not know how long he would survive. So a state has become stateless, governance-less. There is a crisis of governance, and then Janpath is so insensitive. Priyanka Vadra is so insensitive. Not a single statement she had issued. She had not said that the festivity was attacked, festival was attacked, the Hindus were attacked. She is confined to the power politics. This family can do and undo anything for the power. That's what Priyanka Vadra and Rahul Gandhi are doing in Uttar Pradesh. In Lakhimpur, whatever happened, Vivek Srivastava should know that there is a difference between the state power and the particular individual. Every individual is not the state power.
Absolutely.
I am a member of parliament. My son does something that does not mean the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Mr. Khattar is calling for action against farmers. The Chief Minister of Haryana is against the farmers. He is trying to instigate people to attack the farmers. That is what is happening. That is what people in your party are doing. यहाँ छत्तीसगढ़ में that has not happened.
Difference between the
you cannot compare.
Individual.
Okay, Tausif is on the debate. Thank you.
Sanjay Gandhi did
Absolutely not.
of the mistake.
You are trying to make it Sikh versus
Can you
Hindu.
please, can I get Tausif on the debate? Please, Vivek, 1 minute. Can I have Tausif on the right, Anand? 1 minute. Now let's be a little logical here. Let's be a little logical here. 1 minute, Mr. Tausif, allow me to intervene. I'm coming to you, but not with your opening remarks, with an answer to my question.
Is this becoming a new way to kill people?
Okay, so thank you for your question. Thank you for your question.
A new trend to kill people?
Thank you for your question.
It started from Lakhimpur.
Okay, so let me finish, please.
Where is Sonia Gandhi? Where is Priyanka Gandhi? Where is Amit Shah? The car exact number registered from Madhya Pradesh. Now, should I blame the Madhya Pradesh government that the car was full of ganja? What is this new tradition of drugs coming in front of our eyes, where we are just targeting Aryan Khan? We left Mundra port, and today again so many people died, or they are very serious.
Okay.
And look at the occasion. Durga Puja is happening all around India. And what kind of trend is going on? And now we are blaming those guys who are Hindu or Muslims. How they were Indians.
Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. A question to you, please. Tausif, 1 minute. Thank you. Tausif, I'm making a point. Can you just stop for a while? I don't want to make my point over you. When you stop, I'll make my point. Now listen to me. Just wait a while. The question I have is, it is most unfortunate that this incident has happened today, but it is also reality that the victims were all Hindus, and the victims were part of a Dashera procession. There's no running away from it.
No, Arnab,
1 minute. Now you please, Tausif.
Just calling them Hindu. It's not about Hindu.
All right.
They were our brothers.
Sure, of course they are our brothers. I would have said the same. Had they been from any religion. Had they been from any religion, but pause, food for thought today.
This is not a mob lynching where a Muslim is dying.
Have you finished?
Many people, they're flying.
So this is an accident. You're trying to say this is an accident.
I didn't
Are you saying this is an accident?
No, it's not an accident. It's
Are you saying this is deliberate?
This is a murder. This is a murder.
Are you saying this is deliberate? No. Is this deliberate or an accident? Is this deliberate or an accident? Tausif, now if you stop, I can make a point, right? Tausif, I can also heckle you very badly, but just stop for a while. Stop for a while and let me complete my whole point here. Now, Tausif, now hear me. Okay, just be quiet for 1 minute. And I want to complete my point because my point needs to be understood by all the viewers. I'd really appreciate it if you let me complete my point. Viewers, everyone watching the program, I said this when the Lakhimpur incident happened. I said this is most unfortunate. But let us not jump the gun and say that a political party sat down and organized this incident. Right? I said it then. I said, please don't say that the BJP sat down in its party office and said, let us drive an SUV through some protesting farmers. Okay? But nobody listened to me then. At that point of time, people like Tausif, people like Vivek Srivastav, people like everyone, they were all going around saying, no, the BJP sat down and planned the killing and they must have given instructions to the SUV to go through the farmers. Okay? Now in this case, Geeta, 1 minute. A minute. Now I'll have to reduce the volume there. Now in this case, viewers, what's happening is, these people are saying, don't jump to conclusions. When the victims are people who are part of a Dussehra procession, right? Then they are saying, don't jump to conclusions. Don't blame Baghel. Don't blame a political party. These are the same people who 1 week back said that the BJP sat together and organized the Lakhimpur incident. Absolute hypocrisy. There's no answer to that. Think today. You understand, Manaswi? Do you understand, Geeta? Let's take the debate forward now. Yes, please. Geeta, you follow Manaswi? All of you people.
Yeah. Can I come in? Can I come in?
Arnav, this indifference of the Congress party and other opposition parties towards this unfortunate incidents where unsuspecting devotees have been brutally crushed down under a car. It exposes their, hollow moral standing and ethics, which they have been trying to portray when the unfortunate Lakhimpur incident had happened. We have seen Priyanka Vadra, sweeping the floor. We have seen various other photo ops where they had gone and met the relatives of those who lost their lives. But why is it that when the similar kind of an incident happens at Chhattisgarh, why is it that the top leaders of Congress party and other opposition parties, they are showing total apathy to it? And if you remember that even in Punjab during Dussehra, the celebration near Amritsar, there was an unfortunate incident which had happened where many people were, killed in a train accident. And at that time also I remember the leaders like Mr. Sidhu, his wife, they did not, for hours together they were nowhere near the incidents or near those who had lost their lives. So what?
Can I please respond? Geeta ji, my simple question to you is, are Madhya Pradesh Hindus against the Hindus of Chhattisgarh? Are we saying that Madhya Pradesh Hindus are against? I did not interfere between you when you were speaking, making a point, Geeta ji. Now listen to me. Are Madhya Pradesh, please Geeta ji. Geeta ji, the question here is, are Madhya Pradesh Hindus against the Hindus of Chhattisgarh? Is the Madhya Pradesh government against the Hindus of Chhattisgarh? Is Bablu a resident of Madhya Pradesh or not? Is Shishupal a resident of Madhya Pradesh or not? Was the car registered in Madhya Pradesh or not? Or are we saying the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh to resign in this? Unfortunate incident is turned into an opportune political movement for BJP. Geeta ji, you are making a communal issue out of this. Please don't heckle. Geeta ji, you are making this issue a communal one. You are making a communal issue out of an unfortunate issue.
Binay, 1 minute. Manaswi, just 1 minute. Did I not say, Binay, last week, that the Lakhimpur incident is most unfortunate? But to say that the BJP sat down and planned that farmers must be killed and a SUV must be rammed through them is a conspiracy theory without any factual basis. At that point, you, Manasvi, you said, no, the BJP is responsible. Ratnakar Tripathi said, Yogi must resign. No, Yogi must resign. You said that last week. You said it last week. Vivek said it last week. Binay is on the debate. Binay.
It's about BJP's hypocrisy. It's about exposing the BJP's hypocrisy.
Manasvi is a learned man.
Are Hindus of Chhattisgarh?
Manasvi, just hold on, Manasvi. Manasvi, you are a learned man, but I'm surprised the kind of logic you are giving today. The accident happened in Chhattisgarh, the car was registered in Madhya Pradesh, but the SUV was manufactured in Maharashtra. So would you ask the Maharashtra government that they had a conspiracy angle on that or not? What kind of logic you are providing? Or the incident happened here in Chhattisgarh and you are saying that the car was registered in Madhya Pradesh. I say the car was manufactured in Maharashtra. The Mahindra, they have a facility in Maharashtra where they manufacture the cars. So there is a Maharashtra angle in the conspiracy. What kind of nonsense you are talking, Manasvi? What kind of nonsense is this? And Arnav, this is not an isolated incident. First, Bhupesh Bagel's father gave a hate speech, followed by his fake arrest, then the communal rights in Chhattisgarh, and then this massacre today. Today what has happened, this is a massacre. And I'm surprised, Arnav, that why the Congress party, they are not maintaining the same parameter what they have asked for in Uttar Pradesh. They must immediately announce a compensation of 1 crore or 50 lakhs.
Why don't you target the Narcotics Control Bureau first?
Why do they have a double standard?
No, why don't you target the Narcotics Control Bureau first?
To the surprise,
why don't you take some action against Adani's phone?
CM
why don't you cancel his license?
He's busy in Uttar Pradesh.
The entire country is full of drugs. 3,000 kilograms there.
Mr. Srivastava,
then you have the Aryan Khan episode.
I know you are
now
very
there is
pissed
this
off because the Adanis,
drugs.
they have banned all the logistical.
What kind of a nation are we
all the logistics from
and why is Mr. Modi not
I know why you are pissed off. They have banned all the logistics from Iran and Afghanistan and Pakistan. The Adani port have banned all the logistics from Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan.
Okay, 1 minute. MR, 1 second. There are various questions in our mind tonight. One of the questions is, and as we play these most unfortunate pictures full frame, in the video it is clear that there is no hesitation on the part of the driver who rammed and mowed down people who were clearly carrying out a religious procession, resulting in the death of 1 and 16 injured. Question is, was this group selectively targeted? Right?
Exactly.
This is our question. Was this group selectively targeted? Can I please request you to come into the debate along with Mr. Tripathi on this very specific question? Mr. Tripathi, may I ask you to please be specific to my question, that in your view, and I'd request it if you are, I'd really appreciate it if you are going to be very specific about it. In your view, was this group selectively targeted? You know, this was a Dashera procession. Was this group selectively targeted?
So, you won't divert, nah? You won't run over me. You will allow me to speak. Is it okay?
You need time to prepare.
No, I don't need time. I don't manipulate like you. Shubho Vijaya. First of all, let me wish you Vijayadashmi.
Answer my question.
It is not the case. You cannot draw a parallel between Arnab Goswami and Vikas Goswami, the drug peddler, and say, oh, because both are Goswamis, they must be treated the same. It's not like that.
Answer my question. Was this group selectively targeted?
Come to the point.
16 are injured.
Please come to the point.
How can you trace it?
Sir,
but that was selectively done.
Please answer
in
the binary position.
Because Ashish Mishra was there. The shots were changed. Because 2 days before.
On a holy day of Dashera.
2 days before Ajay Mishra is threatened. You are not taking that in account.
Smaller
you are manipulating
it irrelevant to the point of discussion. They were mowed down because they were Hindus. Yes or no? Please answer this.
Why there is chaos?
Please answer this simple question. They were mowed down because they were Hindus. Please answer this question, yes or no. Please tell me whether they were identified by their dress as to be Hindus, whether they were mowed down because they were Hindus, whether they were mowed down because today being Dashera, a holy day, and you wanted to send a message to the Hindus. Please answer yes or no. I will leave it everything else.
Are you done, sir?
Please tell me whether this was a deliberate act.
Are you done? Then I will speak.
On the holy day of Dashera on Hindus. This is how Tipu Sultan would have done. This is how Aurangzeb would have done. This is how Congress party does it. Let us be very clear. You are the modern day Aurangzeb. You are the modern day Tipu Sultan.
Let me answer.
You are driving down people, mowing down people because you believe that these Hindus should be massacred on a holy day.
Now that is also Again, you have no MR. You have no precise evidence to back that up yet.
This is ridiculous, Arnab. You should not ask him to entertain all this.
I am asking him a question. Let him say no. Let him say no. He is not saying
I
no.
repeat the question tonight. I repeat the question tonight. I repeat, MR, please. MR, please. MR, I hear your point. I can understand your anger, but I'm making a point. I make a second time I request the panelist, Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi. You are on the debate. I'm asking you for a second time in the course of the debate. Without taking any qualified position on this myself, my question to you is, sir, Mr. Tripathi, please tell Rakesh Sinha whether you believe the procession was deliberately targeted. If you believe it was not, say no, it wasn't. If you believe it was, say yes, it was.
They believe it. Say, let me speak. They believe it.
No,
they believe it, and they think they are not bothered about the killing of the Sikhs.
No,
that is
what
the
is your point?
You are applying here.
Arnab, he does not
that
have
is
a
the
specific answer. No, I'm...
Okay, Rakesh Sinha is responding on the debate.
I'm adding 2 and 3 things.
The car deliberately ran into the procession. The car deliberately ran into the procession.
The car was not... Sir, I point out here, Mr. Sinha, one line, Mr. Sinha, one line. I point out here that neither in Lakhimpur was the car driven by a robot, and neither in the case of Jashpur has the car been driven by a robot. There was a group marching in Lakhimpur. There was a group marching in Lakhimpur. There was a group marching in Jashpur. Should Yogi Adityanath now go and protest in Chhattisgarh? Should Yogi Adityanath go to the Raipur airport and sit on the ground and say he should protest in Chhattisgarh? Should he? Yes, you want to bring things down to a mockery? Rakesh Sinha is on the debate. Rakesh Sinha.
He won't go there.
Arnab, the way they made the Lakhimpur as a festival ground just for their own survival. 2-3 chief minister, PCC president, Priyanka Vadra, Rahul Gandhi, everybody was in there. Priyanka was advertising herself as cleaning the room. My fundamental question is that this Gandhi-Nehru family has just pushed both the Punjab and Chhattisgarh in the crisis of governance. Nobody knows who is the real chief minister. Both the chief ministers are delegitimized by their MLAs, but this Gandhi and Nehru family is backing them. There is a reason for such crisis. This is the reason that such people are doing some anarchist job. When the person was driving the car, he was knowing the fact that he can save himself. The state can't do that. He considered that he will be protected by the Congress.
I further would like to ask. I further want to ask. I further want to ask. Out of just an observation here, viewers, and Tausif, we go to the nub of the issue. Vivek, calm down. Vivek.
There are drugs all over the nation. The ports are having drugs.
Yeah, but I thought you were saying. Till yesterday. What's the big deal if a star's son has some drugs? He's only having some drugs. You said drugs are not even an issue. And when a car full of drugs mows down people at the Dashera procession, you say drugs are the issue. Have some consistency, man.
Who is using drugs? Who is selling drugs? Don't worry. Nobody would be spared. Narendra Modi government is not going to spare a single individual, single agency which is involved in the drugs.
This government is a capitalist,
who is involved?
crony capitalist supporting government.
Particular individual?
You don't have the guts to act against big businessmen.
Why you are protecting?
Drugs are coming to the various ports managed by these big business houses. And from there, these drugs are coming to the whole nation. And this accident happened.
Thank you.
Because the people in the car were running with drugs in it.
Okay. Now, Mohammed Tausif and MR are back on the debate now. Thank you. Tausif and MR, and Tausif, 1 minute. A lot of feedback, a lot of response to this debate. other point is tonight, Tausif, and please be so kind to listen to my full question. Where is the Vadra Congress now? Why are they not going all guns blazing, protesting and demanding the resignation of Bhupesh Baghel? They've done the same thing whenever there was any accident, mishap, law and order situation in states ruled by the BJP. Where is Bhupesh Baghel today? He flew to Lucknow. He sat on the ground at the airport. Where is Bhupesh Baghel today? Why is Priyanka Vadra not taking a broom and landing up in Raipur? And where is Rahul Gandhi? Where are the Congress delegations? They went to Hathras, they went to Lakhimpur, but when this happens in Jashpur, viewers, pictures on the screen again, they disappear, which makes me absolutely convinced that these Vadras only want to use specific instances for where they think they will get 2-3 votes. And this ghastly incident happens, they pretend it didn't happen. Tausif, come on, I mean, be a little reasonable and take a clear position on this tonight and debate with MR. Tausif first. Tausif, please. Be reasonable. Where are they now? Where is the rush to blame the state government?
The debate today.
No, it is the debate today. It is the debate today.
I started my debate asking that where is Priyanka Gandhi today? Where is Rahul Gandhi?
Yeah, where are they?
Where is those tweet from Sonia Gandhi? We have not seen anything. And now, if I say that,
no, but then,
the way you
does it
repeated
make you,
yourself,
no, so,
like,
so did they,
so
by that conclusion, may I ask you, by that conclusion, may I ask you a counter question to you, Tausif? Take a counter question. By that logic, do you agree, therefore, Tausif, by that logic, which you are articulating, not me, that by that logic, but no, listen to me. Tausif, counter question should be listened to. Don't pretend you, by that logic, they were fake in Lakhimpur, weren't they? By that logic, everything, all their protests in Lakhimpur were fake and politically orchestrated. What do you mean no?
It was done at Lakhimpur, and
you just said so effectively
as well. I don't want to politicize anything today.
You have already done it. Don't say you don't want to politicize. You have already politicized this. MR. No.
I don't want.
I'm on the point.
Why don't we understand that today so many people died? People are dying.
Jashpur.
And why we are counting them as Hindus and Muhammad and Banerjees?
The sequitur must follow. The sequitur is not flowing.
Instead of Durga mission, अगर वहाँ पर आज जुमा की नमाज हो रही होती और इतने लोग मर रहे होते, तो आज क्या होता? Why can't today we like forget about being politicizing things and just say that Indians have died? So many Indians have died. You know, MR, you are talking like a lunatic. No, why is become mad?
No, 1 minute.
You know, you started your debate saying Hindus died. Forget it, man. Indians died. Indians died when the mob lynch used to happen. You know, the Indians died. Why are you targeting and why are you giving a label that the Hindus died? Who killed those? Who killed those Hindus? उन हिंदुओं को किसने मारा? वो हिंदू थे कि मुसलमान थे? आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो? What do you want to say, sir?
And there is no.
What do you want to say, sir?
I'm telling you right
Hindus
on your
died.
face that
Who killed those
Gandhi,
Hindus?
Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, last question on this, viewers.
So many,
Viewers, I have one last question. May I? MR, may I? May I, Tausif, last question? MR and Tausif, last question. Last question, may I ask my last question tonight? May I ask my last question tonight, Manasvi, with your permission? Last question tonight. Thank you. I wonder, we speak about the Vadras. I wonder today, why is Owaisi not protesting tonight?
Why should anyone protest? It's a law and order kind of a situation. The arrests have been made. Why should Priyanka
Because Hindus have died, nobody wants to protest. That is the fact of the matter.
No, it is not a question of Hindus. You are attacking the farmers. And you are attacking farmers everywhere. Your chief minister is wanting people to go and attack the farmers.
Nobody wants to protest.
This was not an attack on the Hindus.
I am charging
this was not an attack on the
all people.
It may well have been an accident, but then how come you're running to one conclusion in another case and telling everyone not to run to a conclusion in this one? Ladies and gentlemen, the lines of hypocrisy are absolutely clear.